how to delete iCloud photos. So go ahead to the settings, and then what you're gonna do, click on your name, right? And then normally what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the iCloud, right? And then what you're gonna do next, click on manage iCloud, and basically you're gonna see right here the files that's been forwarded in the cloud, and then just go ahead to photos, right? And basically after you click the photos, you're gonna be able to turn off and delete from iCloud, and that should actually fix the problem, right? Or you could just go ahead, go back to your screen, then go ahead to the photos and then delete the photos from your iPhone, and that will be deleted from the cloud, right? So basically that's it. That's been on the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.